we can help you build financially strong, resilient teams. And we as their digital coach, digital wealth coach of their employees can help them improve over time.
So digital wealth coach, I think it'll be easy if you just break down each one of those words individually. So everything is digital these days, right? You want convenience, you want accessibility. So, on a phone. So that's how we kind of serve our product, digitally. I mean, everyone knows what a coach is, someone that helps you get better, that guides and assists you. And wealth is, everyone wants to, grow their wealth and be better with their money. So you put those three things together, and that's what we're trying to be. We're trying to be a product that's digital, that helps people grow their money.
I started Franc because I didn't know what to do with the money that I was earning. I started very late in my life when I was 35, and I didn't really have access to financial advisors who were going to give me good advice, and I didn't have anybody really in my family to do so. So I applied my mind and realized that I could do something smart with my money, and I wanted to help other people do the same.
I started Franc because I've always been involved in financial services, initially in banking and then investments. So I always had a lot of people asking me for advice about what to do with their money, and these are smart people. They just weren't confident about investing. So having helped people and knowing that it was an issue, when Tom came to me and told me what he was doing, it made a lot of sense to me. So how can we help people on a scalable basis to be just generally better with their money?
We help our customers build good wealth habits. We've always kind of done it in terms of little nudges, little boosts here and there, but now we're really formalizing and understanding in depth what it takes to build a good habit. So the first thing is keeping it really simple to get started. So that's putting the money into an emergency savings wallet. There's no investment risk involved. And the next is helping you sort of compound that habit. So making it easy to set up automatic saving and investing and knowing where that money is going across all of the range of different goals which are important to you.
A lot of the stuff that we've been doing before, we just like formalizing it now. It's like habit building, it's encouragement, it's nudges, it's gamification, it's education, obviously. So you put all of those things together, and it kind of shows what we're trying to do.